Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the double press power button to open the camera up. So by default this shortcut is disabled, and if you press the power button twice it will just lock the screen. But we can enable it, and to do it tap on the settings icon. Actually let me reopen the settings like this. Then find the accessibility and convenience, and here find the power button, and then tap on it, of course. And here we have this double click power button, tap on it, and right here we can select camera. And unfortunately this is the only function we can assign to this shortcut, but now if you want to open the camera up quickly you can simply press the power button twice, like this. Okay. And that's how you enable the press power button twice to open the camera on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.